Last night's storm winds wreaked havoc on parts of our city. KLBK's Brenda Lepenski spoke to lp&l and some of those residents affected by the storm. Brenda, what kind of damage did lp&l report?
Terry, lp&l says this might be actually one of the worst storms of the season in recent history. It caused over 50 poles to break and thousands were left without power. And they've been working around the clock to help return power to those homes. Residents I spoke with say they weren't expecting yesterday's winds to cause such destruction.
My next door neighbor sent his tree over to visit me during the storm last night, and it stayed.
92-year-old Russ Burden talks about finding a tree in his backyard after last night's storm.
I didn't know it until this morning when I let the dogs out, and I said, whoa, what's that?
Not only did he find a tree in his yard, his aluminum flagpole was also knocked down by winds that lp&l's Matt Rose says left as many as 16,000 people without power at once.
Every area of our territory was affected, and so in that regard, this really was the most severe storm that we've had in this season, probably over the last few seasons. This is the largest number of customers that have been affected for this long a period of time.
And he says most of the city was hit equally, so it's created more of a challenge.
It's a major challenge when a storm hits the entirety of your system all at once, because it doesn't give you the opportunity to necessarily shift customers to other lines or other circuits while you repair the damage.
East Lubbock resident Jay Shaw says his power only went off for a few minutes, but that the winds were concerning.
I kept going from the hall to my game, trying to see if I needed to get in the closet or not. I thought it was that time, honestly.
He woke up to find the tree in his front yard ripped from its roots, leaning on his house.
Thankfully, it's a big bush behind this tree, and it saved all the weight from hitting my house.
All in all, he's grateful no one was hurt and that his house was not damaged.
This is pretty much all the damage you're seeing right here. Thanking God. That's about it.
lp&l says they know that temperatures will be high going into the weekend. They say if you've been without power due to the storm, that the best way to contact them is by emailing them at lightsout@lpnl.com. And they're also advising people to stay away from power lines. They're working into the weekend to get everything cleaned up. Terry?
All right, thanks so much, Brenda.